Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and if you are new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be a little different. It's going to be a foundation routine video. So as you guys know, I do luxury, beauty, and lifestyle. So this is definitely one of those beauty videos. And it's my first one on this channel, so I'm really excited. And I thought, what better way than to start with a foundation routine video. So today I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, and without further ado, we'll get started. So my son is asleep right now, and I bulk film, meaning I don't know why bulk came out that way. Is that how bulk really sounds? But yes, I bulk film, meaning that I film multiple videos back to back. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my foundation when I prep for filming. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and this is in the color 338. Does it have a name? Spicy Brown. Pretty spicy young brown thing here. So I start, ooh, that's a lot. I don't usually use that much. I was trying to multitask, but I start by putting a little bit on the back of my hand to kind of just like warm it up and to use this as like my palette. As you guys can see, I've already did my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm gonna take a foundation brush. This is kind of like a stippling brush, I guess. And I know it should probably be like wet or something, but I'm just gonna go, oh, you know what? I don't even have a mirror. Why don't I have a mirror? Okay, I'm gonna go grab my mirror and I'll be right back. Okay, and this actually reminds me of like when I was younger, I used to always just like sit on the floor in my bedroom and do my makeup. And I'm sitting on the floor right now, and it just kind of reminds me of that. But I will say, like, hopefully the lighting is okay for you all, but for me, this lighting is not good. And I don't know if I already said this, but I've already done my eyebrows. If you can, yeah, I did say that. So fun fact about me, guys, on this channel is that I used to have another YouTube channel that was all about like beauty and fashion. This one is still going to be consisting of beauty and fashion, but that's not like the main thing on this channel. But yeah, so this, I just also kind of feel like it's taking me back to my roots. And if you're wondering if I put on primer, I did not. I would if I was like going to an event or like to a party and I just wanted my makeup to be like flawless, but I'm really only doing my makeup to film, so I'm not putting on primer. And if you guys like my eyebrows, I would definitely do an eyebrow routine. Like, I have not gotten any requests yet on this channel, and y'all don't understand, I would freaking love to get a request. I would love for somebody to say, hey Brittany, can you film this kind of video? And I would film the ish out of that video. I mean, as long as it like has to do with what my channel is about, I would totally do it. I just realized like what my mouth was doing just now. One thing about foundation is I really like to just like really work my foundation into my skin. Like, foundation is literally, pun intended, the foundation of your makeup. So it's like, if your foundation doesn't look good, you're already, and not that you can't come back from it, but it's like you're already not starting off on a good foot. So it's like, I really like to work it in. So I don't go down on my neck like that. That's just too much for me. But I really do like to just work it in and let it dry and just see kind of from there what needs to be done. Okay, so that's foundation. I do use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. This is in the color NW35. So I am going to also put that on the back of my hand. Use a smaller brush. This brush is a no-name brush. It's a concealer brush. I don't know what the name of it is. So. I don't go crazy here, but as I start to go crazy. Okay, so I'm trying to multitask and talk to you guys while I do this. So one of the topics that I did kind of want to discuss is just like being a new YouTuber, and it's frustrating because, you know, you want people to watch your content, you put a lot of effort into it, and you just want the views, you want to interact with people. So it's like, it's partly frustrating, but at the same time, it's also very exciting. It's like I'm in complete control. I can control my image. I can control the content that I post. I don't know, it's just like a fresh start. And that's why I started this channel new. Because again, I did have another channel, and part of starting this channel, like my internal self-talk, was whether I should just go in a new direction on my existing channel, or if I should indeed start a new channel. And I'm actually really happy that I decided to start a new channel, because the whole vibe is different. Like, YouTube is more different now than it was, you know, 4 years ago when I started. I'm different, so it's like I kind of don't want to be judged on my past content. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but I'm just very happy I started fresh with this channel. I do still have my old channel up, so I'll link it below if you all just are curious about the content that I used to do. But yes, like I said, beauty. I also vlogged. I even did a few mukbangs, which I love to eat, so I'm not promising that there won't be any mukbangs on this channel, but for now you will have pretty consistent content of luxury, beauty, and lifestyle. I do actually eventually want to vlog again. I want to have Brylan in more of my videos. And for everyone who watched our playlist video and commented, thank you so much. I do apologize about the quality of that video because I was having upload issues. So I basically had to film like a screenshot of me filming the, I don't know, it was weird. But if you haven't seen that, I will actually link that video here. But basically it's me introducing my son to you all and then just like going over our playlist. So that was a really fun video. I'm looking for my brush. Oh, I'm sitting on it. Okay. Yes, I'm using the same brush just to blend this in. And I waited a while to blend it because I kind of like it to get like kind of dry and tacky before I blend it in. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to go in with my Revlon Nearly Naked. As you can see, I use this bad boy, and this is in the color 40 medium deep, and I'm going to use that to set my makeup. I do have a lighter one of these that I sometimes will use specifically for under eye, but I'm going to use the same color to set everything. Alright guys, that's pretty much my foundation routine. So as you can see, it's pretty simple. Just to recap, again, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in color 338, the spicy brown. And then for concealer, I use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NW35. I use a stippling brush to kind of do all the heavy lifting. I powdered with this e.l.f. complexion brush, and to powder I use the Maybelline Nearly Naked in 040 medium deep. Did I miss anything? For concealer, I use just a basic concealer brush. Alright guys, I'm back and this is the final look. As you can see, I went ahead and just put on the rest of my face, including some lashes. And thanks so much for watching my video. I will see you guys next time, and remember to be good to yourselves. Bye guys.